Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Do-It-Yourself Plumbing with Tom. Today I wanted to share with you a little plumber's trick to help you guys get through a water shutdown from the city. You can use a bucket of water if you fill it up in your bathtub or your sink basin before the water is shut down. You should get a notice from the city that they are going to need to shut down your water for a significant period of time, usually 8, 10, sometimes 12 hours to do an excavation job out in the street. You still will always have one flush in your toilet tank before they shut the water off, but after that toilet flush, you have no more water coming into your house. If you fill up the bucket beforehand, you can dump the bucket down the toilet and it'll simulate your toilet flush and help you get through that shutdown just a little bit longer with a little bit more ease. If you guys like the tip, leave me a like and a comment down below, and also hit the subscribe button with the bell to get a notification for future tips down the road. Thank you guys. Have a great day.